Alright, well this is our back porch area. Looks like I got something on my lens. This is the back porch.
It's a cool view. Where's that monkey we saw yesterday?
Yeah, we saw a monkey down here yesterday.
This is the monkey, yeah?
The monkey?
Yes.
It's not here now, but it was here yesterday. It's hiding somewhere.
Where?
We'll look for it when we go downstairs, right?
He's jumping there.
And this is the master's bedroom. And who's this? What's your name? Are you the superstar?
Mom, say your name.
Francie.
Francie, yes. Not everybody that watches television are going to know who you are. You got to get back. You're too close. You got to back up. Go by your aunt. Go back by your Aunt Emma. Turn around, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Not you, my other baby.
Oh, hey, baby. Hey.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Ouch,
Hi.
baby, my paw.
Get in the picture of the thong. Come here. Get over here. The bathroom. We'll see where Grandpa's doing. You around, Grandpa? There he is.
Let's snap that spring and cut my finger.
What spring?
I think I'm going to change my shirt.
That's fine. That's one bedroom, two bedrooms. The other bathroom. Big tubs. Stairs. Down into the other room, which we'll go in a minute. Now we're coming downstairs. Here's the kitchen. And here's our tour guide.
I want to see.
Yeah.
I want to see Francie.
You want to say?
Yes.
Say Francie.
Francie.
Alright,
I
thank
want
you.
to see.
There's the stairs upstairs. This is the front door.
Huh?
I'm just doing a tour so everybody can know what we were staying in. This is the dining room.
I want to see.
And this is the living room.
Let me see. Let me see. I got done.
See?
Undiagnosed condition. When it nerves like the EP and having what's called rectal examination. Nothing they mean like
And this is the other porch with the pool in the back.